Oh shit.
Why you sending money for shaking ass?
He be sending me a lot of money.
Hellcats, SRCs, nigga come pull up on me. Drive the car fast, do the dance, it make my coochie.
You a roach burn.
I gotta put the light on.
What you talking about?
Camera too dark.
Stain in the sock.
Damn, bro. Dark as a bitch. Anyways, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jay Stuffy, you know what I'm saying? Everyday Jay, man. You got the niggas out here, man. Yeah.
Oh, this nigga a vlogger.
Yeah. Gang out there. Hey, listen, that's Unk for real, nigga. That's Unk for real. That's my dog, though.
Like bump.
The nigga said bump.
Let me get in that.
Unk is crazy.
Oh god, that is
Tight shit. We got tons out here, nigga. Tight shit. Tight shit. Tight shit.
Yeah, go get me on YouTube.
Tight shit. Tight shit. Anyway, so what niggas finna? Oh shit, they doing it already, nigga. I'm about to miss that shit.
What they doing?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, I'm fucking weak. Do it again. That nigga started leaving. That nigga started leaving. He's like, oh hell nah, bro. I ain't about to get my car fucked up. Anyways, yeah, nigga, shit, motherfucker outside, bro, doing this shit, but I ain't gonna lie. Then we got our cameraman outside today, bro.
Yo, I meant like, I'm never outside, but like today.
Today he said he outside today. Yo, is that
we
12?
out here being thoughts.
Yo, that'd been crazy. I'd have went back in the house so fast. I went to my car.
I was like,
oh, bro, I went to my car. Oh shit, I missed it. Fuck. Hold on, that shit shot down there?
oh no.
Oh, hold on, nigga, smack my car? Fuck.
Yeah, hit your car, you know.
Yo, pre-stop was right there.
Blow that motherfucker up.
Damn. Hey. What? They said that nigga got a bitch. They said that nigga got fuck with you. Oh damn, he better light that one up. Hold on. Why should I about to smack over here? Nigga seen this shit right by the electric though. We about to die, bitch. That shit loud as fuck, bro. Oh shit. Man, that shit lit, nigga. Damn. That nigga backed up. He said, how long, nigga? Oh shit. Nigga in the Busch Garden show at this bitch.
This is my second fireworks here, bro.
Yeah. But yeah, shit. I guess this is why we just blowing out some roaches over there. There's some roaches? Oh shit.
Motherfuckers outside, man.
Yeah, know what I'm saying? Why the fuck we outside on a random ass Saturday, nigga? We out this bitch. Damn, bro. I have a question though, like.
What?
Like, how many dollars would it take you to shut the fuck up? No, I'm playing.
You want your ass beat?
My fault, too. My bad.
I think it only take her 10 to shake her ass. And then
So I can't say you go shake that ass.
5.
Give me like 20.
Wait, she made
you
it like
shake it?
30 though, doing that shit. So
What? Hold on, wait, what? You made $30 shaking your ass? What the fuck are we talking
You made
about?
10 off me.
It was Jordan. It was Jordan,
What
bro.
the fuck are you niggas talking about, bro? I'm about to go carry my ass over here.
hold on, turn the camera back around on him.
Whoa.
Thirsty nigga one-on-one. Why you do that?
Whoa.
Why you do that? First of all,
Oh, shit.
why you sending money for shaking ass?
He be sending me a lot of money.
I need an explanation. I need an explanation.
I got the receipt.
Because what?
I got
Damn.
the receipt. Sending me money, y'all.
But why?
They got hella fireworks. Nigga. Oh, yeah.
I got the receipt.
Damn.
Sending me money,
Get the
bro.
fuck up out of
I
here.
got the receipt.
I'll let you have it.
Damn.
Y'all see me tonight? This is what happens. You better move or your head catch on fire. Shit, embarrassing. I fell down the fucking stairs. Y'all know how often that I fall?
Fall down the stairs
is crazy. I make a trip, but I never fall. But tonight, for some reason, I fell.
Damn.
How that nigga did
Falling down the stairs is fucking
Damn.
crazy. Yeah. But you know what? I got up like
The fuck? What the fuck was that? That wasn't the fireworks?
I'm gonna pistol this.
Type shit.
Okay, so they
I don't
shooting,
need to
so
imagine because
somebody get a gun out and shoot also.
That nigga busting out this bitch. They said, nigga, it's over, nigga. What the fuck? Nigga better stop fire. Nigga better stop fire. So nah, I'm fucking with you. I ain't doing shit, nigga.
Like, who got the strap on them? Nobody.
See that nigga right here. Damn. Oh shit, I'm gonna bust him. Oh yeah. Damn. Damn. He said nigga said like a nigga said like a tornado drill.
Tornado drill. We gotta be in one spot. They probably let that shit off in that list.
Yeah, that's definitely a neighborhood snitch though. Like you said when that nigga drove by and shit. What the fuck? Damn. Nigga drunk as hell.
Who that nigga
Damn.
He gonna start freaking. That's it?
I'm saying.
Here you go.
Damn. Alright, y'all, 12 out this bitch, I ain't gonna lie. 12 outside. Yeah, I'm saying like, what could we get in trouble for though? Just having a fat dick and shit. Like, I mean, man.
This is crazy.
She really going home though?
Ain't shit about to happen.